Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to customize checkout in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to customize checkout in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to customize checkout in Shopify store. So today I'm going to show you how to customize checkout in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Customizing checkout in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on settings in bottom left corner. Now click on checkout. From top, you can customize your logo, color and font. If you are willing to customize billing details, scroll down and select options according to your need. There you go. If you wanted to know how to customize checkout in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.